Hi students, I am Sir Mark Noguerero of Barubo National High School from the Division of Surigao del Sur, Caraga Region 13. And with me are my co-teachers in MAPE, Ma'am Jata Niesa de los Santos, Sir Junmar Picolyar, Ma'am Judimar Balingit, Sir Jerome Corvera, Ma'am Apple Cris Tabirara, Ma'am Mary Jean Pamaos, Sir Giovanni De Mafiles, and Sir Richie Ruta. Today, we will help you identify some of the basic steps in folk dance. Before we begin, let me ask you some questions. Do you know that our country has a diverse collection of traditional dances? And some depicts everyday living of Filipinos. But, have you ever wondered why some steps are faster or slower than the other? Well, that is because of time signature. Most common time signatures are 2/4 time signature, 3/4 time signature, and 4/4 time signature. So, are you now ready? Remember, at the end of this lesson, you are expected to identify the basic steps of folk dance in 3/4 time signature and perform at least 3 of those basic steps. Let's begin. Our first figure is native waltz or waltz. The step pattern is step, close, step, while the counting pattern is 1, 2, 3. I am going to demonstrate the step pattern of waltz. Step, close, step, step, close, step, step, close, step, step, close, step. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Our second step is waltz balance. The step pattern is step, close, and heel raise, up, down, while the counting pattern is 1, 2, 3. This time, I am going to demonstrate step pattern of waltz balance. Step close, raise heels up and down. Again. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Excellent. For the next step, here is Jata Niesa de los Santos.
Hello, Sir Mark. Thank you. Now, you have learned the waltz series. This time, you're going to learn the sway balance series. And the first dance step under the sway balance series is what we call sway balance with a point. The sway balance with a point has 2 measures. And the counting pattern is 1, 2, 3. The dance pattern is step or step point. This is how you are going to perform the sway balance with a point. Step your right foot to the right, count 1. Then cross your left foot over the right, count 2, 3. Then step your right foot again to the right, count 1. Then point your left foot obliquely left, counts 2, 3. Now, here's how you're going to perform the sway balance with a point. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Did you get it? Okay. Now, the next presenter that will present is Sir Junmar.
Thank you, Ma'am Jata. Now that you learned the sway balance with a point, you will now learn the sway balance with a waltz. The step pattern is step, per step, step, close, step. The counting pattern is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That is in 2 measures. Now this is how you execute the sway balance with the waltz. Step your right foot to your right, count 1, 2. 1, 2. Step your left foot, cross to your right foot, count 3. 3. Then, with your right foot, step to the right direction, count 1. Then step your left foot in place, count 2. And step your right foot in place, count 3. Now this is how you execute the sway balance with the waltz. Step your right foot to your right, count 1, 2. 1, 2. Step your left foot cross to your right foot, count 3. 3. Then, with your right foot, step to the right direction, count 1. Then step your left foot in place, count 2. And step your right foot in place, count 3. The sway balance with the waltz. Let us all welcome our next teacher, Ma'am Judy.
Thank you, Sir Bex. The next step pattern is sway balance with the hop. The step patterns are step, cross, step, hop. The counting pattern is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in 2 measures. Now let's execute. Now let's begin. The first step is you gotta step your right foot to the right, count 1, 2, and then cross your left foot to the right, count 3. And then step your right foot to your right, count 1, 2, and then you're gonna hop your right foot, raise your left foot in count 3, like this. So let's execute this one. Let's begin. Step, cross, step, hop. Now welcome our next teacher, Ma'am Apple. Thank you, Ma'am Judimar. Our next step is sway balance with the race. It has 2 measures, and the counting pattern is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the step pattern is step, cross, step, step, then race. Okay, let's execute. Step your right foot to the right, count 1, 2. Then cross your left foot to the right, count 3, 3. Then step your right foot to the right, count 1, 2, 1, 2. Then raise your left foot, count 3. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's it for the sway balance with the race. Let's welcome our next teacher, Mary Jean.
Thank you, Teacher Apple. And now, our next dance step for 3/4 time signature is sway balance with the clubs. It has 2 measures, and its counting pattern is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And its step pattern is step, cross step, close step. Now, let's execute. Step your right foot sideward, count 1, 2. Cross your left foot to your right foot, count 3. And then step your right foot in rear, count 1. And then cross your left foot to your right foot, count 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's welcome our next teacher, Teacher Giovanni.
Thank you, Teacher MJ. The next dance step that you are going to learn is the double sway balance. Double sway balance has 4 measures. The counting pattern is 1, 2, 3 in a measure. The step pattern is step, cross step, step, point, cross step, step, point. So we're going to execute the double sway balance. Step your right foot sideward right, counts 1, 2. Cross your left foot to your right, counts 3. Step right foot sideward right, counts 1, 2. Point your left foot to your left, counts 3. Cross your left foot to your right, counts 1, 2. Step your right foot, counts 3. Point your left foot to your left, counts 1, 2, 3. So this is how we are going to execute the double sway balance. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
So, can you now identify the steps in 3/4 time signature? Very good. You're trying your best. Therefore, what do you think should you do to remember the steps in 3/4 time signature? You're right. You need to practice performing the steps in a 3/4 time signature. That's all for today, class. Goodbye.